Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Civic, that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you need to find where the engine starter relay is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, which relay you need to check. It's a hidden relay. We'll talk where you can buy cheap relays and fuses from, that way you don't waste your time and money, guys. And in addition, we'll explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So where is the engine starter relay on Honda Civic? We're going to demonstrate on 2017 model that we have here. You have 2 different fuse boxes. The fuse box that we need is right under the hood, guys, right here on the right side. If you open the hood on your Honda Civic, you're going to see it. Let me zoom in so you can clearly see where the fuse box is located. And if you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout just like that. This is the front of the Honda Civic. This is towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the engine starter relay, guys, it's actually a special relay, and if you look at that fuse box, that huge relay right here, guys, okay, relay circuit board, that relay right here, you have integrated starter relay in that relay here. Unfortunately, if it goes bad, you have to replace it with a whole new relay circuit board. It has 2 things, I think, that you just squish and you pull it out. We will, guys, share where you can get some from if you need to, but it's located right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.